Hello everyone. In this session we shall discuss about some selection statements. So this is a beautiful program. We have to check whether a natural number is even or odd. We know what is a set of natural numbers. It starts with 1 and it just goes on up to infinity. So here I use Scanf to read the value, to read that natural number. I am storing the value in A. It is an integer variable. Now I will check the remainder of this operation. So how to check whether a number is even or odd? Very simple. If it is divisible by 2, then it is even. What does it mean that it should be divisible by 2? The remainder of the division operation must be 0. If you divide a number with 2, you must get the remainder as 0. So there is a remainder operator in C language, that is %. A is the given number. If I divide the number with 2, what is the remainder of that operation? So this % operator will give the remainder of A by 2 or A divided by 2. A %2 will give the remainder of A divided by 2. And if it is equal to 0, this is a relational operator. I am comparing these two values. I am comparing the remainder with 0, whether it is equal or not. If this is true, this is a condition, and this is the if else statement. I have to use a condition. If else is for checking the condition, and if the condition is true, I'll perform this operation. If the condition is false, I'll perform some other operation. There is a choice to make here. There is a decision to make here. Choice or decision or multiple options. Here it is two-way option. Or condition, they all mean the same. The remainder of this operation, if it is 0, then that number is an even number. If it is not 0, then it will be 1. Correct? So then it is an odd number, because even number and odd numbers, they come alternatively. So if the remainder is not 0, then definitely it will be 1. So in that case, this condition will be false. Correct? Take for example 15. What is 15 divided by 2? 7 is the quotient. 1 is the remainder. Is 1 equal to 0? Is 1 same as 0? Equal to means you are comparing. Is 1 same as 0? No. So the condition is false. So 15 is an odd number. That output you will get. So Scanf is for reading values from the keyboard. Scanf is a function from stdio.h header file. It is for reading characters, strings, numbers like integers and real values. You can read all of them using Scanf function. There are different kinds of development environments for C language. You have Visual C++, or you have GNU compiler in Linux, and in Macintosh you have some other version. So especially in Visual C++, nowadays we don't use Scanf. We use a modified version of Scanf that we will discuss later. Initially it is sufficient if we know that Scanf is a function to read values from the keyboard. So there are many compilers that support Scanf even now. If else statement, it is a conditional statement or a decision making statement where an expression or condition is evaluated. In this program I evaluated whether A %2 equal to 0. That is a condition or an expression for true or false. Expression may contain relational operators. These are the 6 relational operators: less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, this is not equal to, and this is equal to. This is the operator that we used in the previous program. Just observe these 6 operators carefully, how they are written. By practice we will remember them. We don't have to remember by heart anything here. We just have to observe carefully, and if we use these operators repeatedly, frequently in our programs, then automatically we remember. And these are logical operators, and, or, not. We will discuss these logical operators in the next program. Percent is to find the remainder of a division operation. If you have to use percent, then the two operands, they must be integers. Okay, for example, a%2, I have used a%2 in the previous program. Both a and 2 are integers. You cannot use a real value for percent operation. And relational and logical operators are binary operators. What are binary operators? Binary operators, they work on two values, two operands. For example, a plus b plus is an addition operator. It is operating on a and b, which are two values. So if an operator works on two values or two operands, then we call it a binary operator. So here these relational operators and logical operators are binary operators. For example, in the previous program, I checked whether a%2 equal to 0. So this equal to operation is taking two operands. One is 0, the other one is the result of a%2. Okay. So this is another beautiful program to check the final grade in a subject based on the marks scored. So here I have to check multiple options, multiple choice. For example, I'll first read the marks from the keyboard using Scanf. Ampersand gives the address of marks. Okay, I did not tell this in the previous program. Here I'm explaining. Ampersand will give the address of marks variable. All variables are stored in certain locations in your random access memory or main memory. There they have those locations have addresses. So you are reading the value, and if that value is greater than or equal to 90, if the marks is greater than or equal to 90, that means it may be 90 or 91 or up to 100, then the grade is A. If the marks is greater than or equal to 80 and less than 90, it is in between 80 and 89, then grade is B. If it is in between 70 and 79, it is C. In between 50 and 69, it is D. Otherwise, that means if the grade, for example, if the marks is less than 50, then the grade is F or fail. So this is how we check multiple conditions. This is how we decide the final grade of a student based on the marks. This is a decision making, multi-way decision making statement using if else. Okay, so this is a minor explanation here. Else if is a branching statement, conditional statement that is used where there are multiple choices. See here, else if, else if, else if. In real world, there are innumerable scenarios where we have to choose an option amongst multiple options. Correct? There are innumerable scenarios. So this is the truth table for logical AND. Logical OR and NOT and other relational operators we will discuss later. So A and B, you will get true only if both operands are true. Otherwise, even if one operand is false, you will get false. If both are false, then automatically it is false. So this is the logical AND operation. This condition will be true when both these expressions will give true value. Okay, both must be true. If one of it is false, then you will go to the next condition. That is how it is verified. We'll discuss more about this else if ladder. We call it else if ladder or other if else statement in other programs. So we'll stop here. Thank you very much.